All right, Gary, let's go camping.
That's it, man.
All right, we're going into 2001.
Wow, it doesn't sound like an OV bug.
It doesn't, huh? Volkswagen,
Yeah.
Eurovan Camper, pop top.
Yeah.
So these things are super trendy, super cool. So like a mobile beach house, you just throw your boards in here and
Oh yeah.
you go over to the beach and you can camp in it. It sleeps 4, seats 4. It's got a stove, it's got a refrigerator, it's got a little outdoor, faucet thing. I don't know if it's like a shower thing or what.
I think it's something to rinse yourself off, yeah.
Something like that, your sandy feet. That's automatic, 4-speed automatic with overdrive. And I guess this thing's got that VR6 6-cylinder VW motor, dual overhead cam.
Yep, 2.8 liter.
2.8 liter, supposed to have like 201 horsepower, which is not like a Volkswagen of yesterday, that's for sure.
Yeah, those old buses, you wouldn't want to get behind them.
Can't even get on the freeway with them, man.
Yeah.
But this thing's got, updated Kenwood sound system in it. It also has a air conditioning, which another thing the old Volkswagens didn't usually have.
Oh, yeah, they did. Just put the windows down.
Yeah, windows down, right? It's got blinds. That seat back there folds down to a bed. Little carpet kit in there. We could show you the rest of it, but pretty clean. Yeah. It's got relatively low mileage for these things. People seem to put a lot of miles on them. There's a lot of them with a couple 100,000. This one only has 108,000 miles on it, which isn't bad for 2001. 19 years old.
I think this is the first bus I've ever driven I didn't have to shift with my hand.
I know, huh? No, it's got like power steering and
it's got everything.
It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes too.
Yeah.
Like a Porsche.
No, it drives good.
Yeah, nice driving van, and like I said in my ad, you can drive it every day to work if you wanted to. It's just a normal vehicle, but you can go camping in it too.
Right, you go take your lunch in it, just relax.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, we'll come up here and take some more pictures of it for you. Some more video. Here's a fun weekend toy. 2001 Volkswagen Eurovan. Great little campers, they're pretty popular. It's like a modernized old Westphalia, something you could actually get on the freeway though with air conditioning and, it's got a stove, it's got a sink, refrigerator, pretty cool overall, neat vehicle. It's a Volkswagen, so nice and reliable. This one has a V6 in it, the VR6. I think it's like 201 horsepower, dual overhead cam. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is extended wheelbase. The campers have the extended wheelbase. Of course, it has the pop top up there. It sleeps 4 and seats 4. I guess there's a couple jump seats you can buy if you want to seat 6, but that's something you can do if you want to. But body's nice and straight and clean. A couple little chips and dings here. Not bad for a 19-year-old vehicle. As I mentioned earlier, it's got 108,000 miles on it. Not bad for its age. A lot of them have a lot more than that. The interior doesn't show its age either. I mean, real clean. It had seat covers on it, which probably protected the seats all these years, but they saved them for you, the next buyer. Original interior. It's got tilt wheel, air conditioning, AM, FM, CD player. I'll show you the back over here too. Of course, power windows, power locks, cruise control. These carpets are, somebody put those in there just to protect the original carpet, but the original carpets are in good shape too. Little view of the inside. Hop on in here. Pretty cool. Little mirror there, refrigerator. Comfortable too. Not bad for a road trip. Take a road trip in this thing. Go down by the beach. Take your dogs with you, family, whatever you want to do. Surfboards. Pretty cool little camper. All right, here's the power plant in the Volkswagen Eurovan. Not much to see there. Put a big old black plastic cover with a VW emblem on it. But under there is a 6-cylinder, 2.8 liter, dual overhead cam, automatic transmission, of course, power brakes, power steering. It's got actually 4-wheel disc brakes. Real clean under the hood though. A little insulation up there. Go ahead and fire it up for you. Can't even hear it run. I guess that's the way you want it with a camper. Oh, there you go. I can hear it now. We'll walk around the back. Not going to be much to hear back here either. It just shows that it's not a smoker or anything like that. Just a nice smooth running little VW van. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. And you can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary, and we'd be happy to show you around. Thanks for watching.